Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the if, else and elseif statement and how we can use in our real projects. So first of all, if condition means do you want to make like any condition in your project, so you can do it like a if part we need to show like this and else part we need to show like this, and also I need to make like a middle part. Okay, also else if part means I need to show like this. Suppose I can give you the real-time project inside like an example, so how we can use like if else if condition. So I already opened the one index.php file, also I will run my file here, means my coding. Okay, so first of all I will explain like if else, and after I explain like a else if. So just I explain like a how to use this funda inside real projects. So I have one mark sheet. Okay, mark sheet inside is there is a marks. Suppose one variable there, variable name is there like a mark inside there is like a 70%. Okay, so I have received the 70% marks. So I need to make like one condition. Suppose 70%, there was 70, so we need to show like a grade. Okay, suppose 65 to 70, so showing the B grade, and like else part, so we need to show like a fail. Suppose you are receiving your app, otherwise in your website, and you need to show like a passing mark. I just give you the example about the if else condition. Otherwise, you are using lots of place. This is the if else condition, and I already show you like the last some video how we can use like a if else conditions. Okay, means like other fund I will clear this time. I need to use to explain. So I already used like if else part, but this is the video. Like a if else statement, I need to explain how we can do it inside our real projects. So I will create a one if condition like if mark less than is equal to, I already explained like a less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, sorry, this is the greater than is equal to 70. So we need to print here like a echo, we need to print like a pass, else part we need to print like a fail. Okay, so here is a two part works. Suppose our mark is a 70 or 70 then more, like 71, 72, so it's going to pass. So let's save this file, and I just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it here showing the pass. Suppose our mark is there like a 60.99, okay, 69.99, so it's going to fail because the condition is not greater than marks. So you can see it's like a greater than is equal to 70. Suppose here they are like a 69, otherwise 65, so also showing like a fail. Okay, so this is the meaning about like if and else condition. Is there lots of project do you want to use? Suppose you are creating one API. Okay, so app side user passing like username, otherwise email and password. So you are checking $post email is not empty and password is not empty. So suppose here is a both of you value found like a email and password inside, so going to inside. Suppose both value not found, so it's going to else part. So what message I can pass? Return parameter missing. So app developer there, so he can understand, okay, here is a parameter missing. So this is the PHP side, we need to make like this condition, so app developer app side we can understand because we are passing two parameters. Suppose you are creating like a one login form, after you do you want to check like we need to make a require like email and password, after you click on the submit button, so same condition work, and after you are redirect to back again with flash message. Suppose do you want to use like flash message, so I next video means later video I can explain like how to work session inside a PHP, so you can easily understand, and I will show you how we can do it. Okay, so don't worry about that, just you can understanding right now if else statement. So this is the meaning about like a login form you are clicking, and email and password are you adding. Suppose it's a blank, so showing the parameter missing, otherwise there, so is a continue process here. I have type here pass, otherwise is a continue process. So you are checking inside database, and after you get the information, otherwise database inside is the information not found, so another if condition you can there here like a count is not found. After you can read back to login screen, and you can say message email and password is wrong. So this is the like a if and else condition works. Okay, so let's make a control Z, and we can going to mark sheet. So I can explain about like a elseif. So here is a like a 80 plus, okay, 90 plus, so is the A grade, okay. Next point is a like a elseif, because we are using like three condition, elseif, if elseif. So we need to show like two part way. Suppose I have a mark like a 65, so is 100% going to like a fail. Suppose mark is a like a there like a 80, so 81 and this the operator I already explained, like a and operator to 69, sorry 89, so it's going to grade B. Same thing I need to use like a another part like a 70, otherwise 80, whatever do you want to type here, 80, so here you can type like 70 to 79, because 80 already used here, okay. Whatever do you want to, this is the your dependency 89, and here you can make less than is equal to, okay. So is a grade C. Suppose here like a 65, so is a going to like a fail part, because this is a no any condition is true here. Let's show you about else if condition, so you can easily understand. So here I can refresh, okay, because I made a mistake, okay, refresh the page, so you can see it fail. Suppose I will change here mark like a 80, okay, and I just go back again, so he's showing the B, because 80 there here is equal to sign there, so 80 also count and 81 also count, means a greater like 80 plus, so it's going to greater. Suppose you can make like 89, so it's going to here like a B grade. Suppose you can make 19, so it's automatically going to like a grade. So this is the meaning about else if condition. Suppose you are seeing some result like this grade system, so he can in making like this, like a grade means that this is the marks, means mark means percentage, and suppose like percentage say grade say whatever do you want to think your mind. I just explain how we can use. Suppose your mark is like there is a 75, so showing the C grade, so you can see it's C grade. So it's a real project always using like this. Suppose do you want to make like any grade system condition, also I already explained like a one login system. Suppose do you want to say like a different message like email also required. Suppose I can show you empty, I am using now empty condition, okay. So please careful, not empty, post is equal to email. So what I can type to user email required. Suppose I can write like else if inside, so here I can say like a password required. So this is the two condition here there, and last one else if we can make it continue, so we can log in. So here you can see it like if condition means that email is empty, so it's telling like email required. Suppose okay email required, so it's going to user side and we can show okay email is required. Suppose you are clicking on the login button. Suppose once you can add email, and after you press the again login button, suppose you are not add a password, so it's going to here again and he can told me password required, and both of you can add like email and password. After is the echo part, means the else part is going to continue. So I hope do you have everything clear about if else if condition is very carefully I have explained. Suppose do you want to not understand anything, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like this video, and I hope do you want to enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.